All right, you already know, we're in Texas. We finally stopped. Yes, it's as insane as everybody says they are. Place is like a small city inside. We're outside Dallas. We're between Dallas and Texarkana right now. We stopped at Buc-ee's. Good morning, guys. We made it to Chattanooga, Tennessee. It's Saturday, July 3rd, and we are at my good friend Mason and Karley's house. They do an off-road meet here in Chattanooga. I think it's the first Saturday of every month, and fate would have it, we're here on the first Saturday of the month. And also, 2 years ago, I was here on the 4th of July weekend as well, and was able to go out with them on the off-roading meet. So since Corey and I got in last night, and Mason has a sweet new 4Runner that he's putting together, we're gonna go off-roading with them. Mason and Karley also put on the Riverside Chattanooga show, which you guys have seen on this channel a handful of times, at least a couple times in the 2 years or so that I've had the channel. But we come down every year, and as most of you guys already know, I am moving here next month. So we're gonna go wheeling, get some coffee, and hang out with everybody here in Tennessee. Yeah.
Good morning.
They made a human.
Oh no!
Oh, what?
Alright, we're running it. Sorry, the brakes are not that good. That car was like went out and whatever. It's a southern Tennessee rolling style. That's what it's called. I spent $300 and I'm not even gonna like use it here. Hey, that's our problem.
So we're hitting the trails. Got a small group of guys together, and mostly 4Runners, which is awesome. Mason's 4Runner is really sweet. But we're gonna hit a few local trails. Easy day today, which is great because we have the pop-up meet tonight and a long drive tomorrow morning. I think we're going to New York. So super stoked to get out on the trail with these guys. And the weather's beautiful. It's really not too hot. It's great compared to what we just came from. So excited to get out on the trail with these guys. So Mason and all the guys down here have a pool going as to how long it'll take me to buy something 4-wheel drive down here after I move and be out on the trail with these guys. I've got a few ideas of things I'd want to build. I've wanted to do something off-road and 4-wheel drive for years now. Obviously something quirky. Put in the comments what you think I would build that's 4-wheel drive. Something weird, maybe something foreign. Yeah, drop in the comments what you guys think or what you guys think I should build for an off-road rig when I get down to Chattanooga, Tennessee. All right, Mason, what are we doing?
Hopefully not wreck this thing. Need to drive it back home. No, we're gonna go hit some trails. Just some easy, smooth stuff today. See some overlooks.
Overlooks sound good.
Yeah.
Same spot that we took photos at last 4th of July?
Yeah.
Oh, with the river and...
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
sweet.
Yeah, we'll end there. Surely.
It's a beautiful day to do this. And Corey and I don't have vehicles, but we're in the best one here.
I did not bring water. I didn't even see that. I was not paying attention. Wow.
Yeah, I might. Just a little bit. Because I'm a shorty. There we go. Okay.
It's
you
in,
say you
it's
keep
in,
though?
Yeah, you keep it. It's in for low, but
Yeah.
it's good, pretty smooth. So you'll be pretty much between first and second.
Yeah.
Everything we're on, but you know. Yeah, and the good thing is it's geared well enough that like you can be in real low RPMs and not have to be on the
And
clutch.
just chug. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So.
Yep. You're gonna make me want to build one of these, man.
I know.
We've only gone 50 feet.
Well, what I'm planning on is selling this to you so I can buy a 3rd gen surf.
Selling this to me?
Yeah.
Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is too reliable for the stuff I'm into.
Yeah. It's still cool though.
Of course it's cool.
It's
This
just
thing's awesome.
Oh, what you mean is it has its own floor and it's not rotted into the ground. There's not a tree growing.
Yeah, and
through
it runs and it's reliable.
Yeah, you know, makes sense. I mean,
Yeah.
I can just like it up if you want me to. Yeah, you can do
I don't know what the crew likes to run at, you know?
that. I mean, just kind of keep them in eye shot if you.
Yeah, buddy. Got a little bit of wheel time in Mason's 4Runner. Corey and I are gonna take some turns, which is pretty cool. It's a cool rig. Definitely want something 4-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Can I give you my back foot?
Yeah. You mean just hold it here?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm coming down. Ready?
Let go. I figured I'd take the shot and jump off at the same time. And you'd hang onto my foot and I'd die.
Question is, did you get the shot?
No, it's like all crooked.
Oh. Get back up there.
I was too concerned about my falling.
Yeah, he's good, dude. He's taking up off-roading because then that's whenever you know, I talk about
I knew Wright was a good line here, but I know we got the height to do this.
either way.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it's for days.
Yep.
And if it scrapes on something, that's okay.
It's okay. I didn't get the exhaust. All right, guys, that's it for the Rotiform Ludwick's Garage pop-up meet here at In the Cut Barbershop in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I didn't film much just because we were walking around a bunch. There's a lot going on. We're gonna go across the street to Champy's, get some food. We're tidying it up right now. Huge thanks to everybody that came out. We are headed 14 hours to upstate New York tomorrow for a pop-up meet at Swoops' shop. Our good friend Greg in upstate New York. So we're headed there. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.